You guys were thinking that that bottle is gonna hit me in the face. Yeah. You still think that? You still think it's gonna hit me in the face, right? Well, now that I got your attention, Stupid Bitcoin second episode is coming on November 24. So make sure you watch that. That crow is a paid actor, and the bottle is still not gonna hit me, you evil people. Let's get into the video.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Dogecoin update today. Now $0.38339 is where Dogecoin is trading at the moment, and Bitcoin has started to fall down actually, but still it fell a little bit down and then it came back up, and we're still kind of sideways and creating even more bearish divergences, and altcoins are dropping while Bitcoin is just moving up, and the dominance is still strong, but dominance is coming to an end. Dominance at some point is really coming to an end. Now there has been a sideways movement, and this sideways movement here looks like this. You're breaking to the upside, you're coming down, you're moving down again, and Dogecoin still continues to create another range and still another sideways. Now the question is that, are you going to really come down like this and continue lower, or just go all the way to the upside? Now I would actually say that, number one, I think it's better to work with a stop loss, and I think if you do end up coming down to 0.32, let's say if you're in a trade, then it does look like taking out this low means that you can actually move a little bit lower, and it's almost like you have a descending triangle at the moment. Now the good thing is that Dogecoin has popped to the upside of the descending triangle, right? Just a little bit of announcement. I do have a good news and a bad news. I will start off with the bad news. From January 2025, I'll be charging 20 USDT for the private. If you don't know what the private is, check the top right of the video to know what I do in the private. The entry for December will be closed on 31 November. Now you have to message me, and to do that, just head down to the description of the video, click on the Discord, and click on announcement, click my name, and message me. If for some reason the Discord is not working, just comment Discord and I'll generate a new link just for you. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. Now, even it does look like a descending triangle. Secondly, it also looks as if this is still another continuation. So you ended up moving up, you made a pennant here, and it also means that you could actually continue to go on and move to the upside. So what I can say is that if everything works out with Dogecoin, right, only Dogecoin, I do expect a lot of correction from the altcoins, but when you look at Dogecoin and what Dogecoin is doing on its own, it is actually good. Whatever this is, it's actually pretty solid at the moment. The setup is actually a wonderful one, and if with that being said, number one, you should get back to 0.43 and a technical target of 0.62254. But however, if you end up coming down to 0.32, you could actually make a deep correction, maybe to even $0.27. So it's not going to be huge. I think even if you have a correction, it's going to be just some minor correction, which could be really healthy as well. But the uptrend is going to stay intact. What really matters is an uptrend. And what is an uptrend? Higher highs and higher lows. So however, coming down and then going back up is still fine. You have this high, you have the higher high right there, you have another higher high, and then you come down and then you continue up, still another higher high. And on a bigger picture side of things, that's what exactly we need for a nice, good, healthy movement to the upside. Corrections are important as well, but however, it doesn't look like it wants to, right? So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.